in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable your Windows Spotlight feature on your Windows 11 lock screen. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to type in settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, you want to select versus personalization. And on the right side, go down and select colors. On the right side, underneath personalization, you want to scroll down and select lock screen. And where it says personalize your lock screen, if you want to turn it off, just click inside the drop down and select either picture or slideshow, anything other than Windows Spotlight basically. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.